Reception theory is a literary research method that focuses on how readers understand and experience text. The theory holds that the meaning of literary works is not fixed, but is formed in the interaction between the reader's cultural background and life experience and the text content. Reception theory has a variety of methods and approaches. By studying the reception process of text, we can gain a deeper understanding of the text itself and its interpretive agency in different historical periods and cultural contexts. The study of reception theory combines concepts and methods from text theory, communication theory, and philosophy. In the fields of drama and history, reception theory also has its applications. In general, reception theory provides a framework for understanding how texts are understood and reshaped by different groups of readers in different times and places.
Now I talk about the revolution or development of reception theory. First is the origin and the early development. Jones is one of the founders of reception theory. He proposed the historicity of aesthetic experience, and also its developed the theory of textual gaps, which holds that there are some parts in the text that are not clearly stated and need to be filled in by readers through his own understanding. Second, I talk about the further development and refinement. Based on Jones and Isser, reception theory was further developed and some new concepts and research methods emerged. This is whether Ripple's criticism has a lot of intersections with reception theory. He proposed the concept of interpretive communities. Third, its later development. Reception theory has generally expanded to fields such as cultural studies, film studies, and medium studies, emphasizing artisans' ripples and interaction in different medium and forms. First, with the rise of the internet and the digital medium, reception theory faces new challenges and opportunities. The ways in which readers and artisans interact are more diverse, and the dissemination and reception of texts are more complex.
Reception theory was originally proposed by Bams. The concept of reception theory itself belonged to one of the classic translation theory. Reception theory refers to the fact of that recipient can take the initiative when accepting translation, and at the same time pay attention to the recipient various habits when translating, so as to achieve the result of accepting translation. The assumption of reception theory is actually conjecture and hypothesis based on the viewpoint or theoretical cornerstone processed by the other theory, assuming the degree of recognition or acceptance condition. The assuming condition can be the conceptual model of the assumed object or assumption for the basic concept. The acceptance group of reception theory not only served the translation recipients, but also need to have an open mind, be good at discovering loophole and dare to innovative. Learners need to have the ability to continuously learn some basic theory and expand their cognition, and require learners to maintain the attitude of seeking common ground while serving difference. Encourage doubt and actively arguing. This can not only promote the development of theory, but also enable learners to have new theoretical ideas.
I'll talk about the criticism of reception theory. Reception theory is an approach to literature and cultural studies that focuses on how readers of a work receive and interpret the text, rather than the fixed meaning of the text itself. This theory emphasizes the active role of the reader and believes that meaning is constructed by the reader that in the process of reading or reading. This reflects on the reader's subjectivity, and the second is ignoring historic and cultural context. The third one is methodologic limitations. The first is ignoring the authority of the text. The fifth and also is the last one is easy to fall into relativism. Despite the above criticisms, research theory still has important value in literary and cultural studies by focusing on readers' experience and interpretation. Research theory reveals the complex interactive relationship between text and readers and enriches our understanding of the meaning of text. Looking at research theory correctly means that we should recognize its limitations, but also make full use of these insights and combine it with other and theoretic methods to obtain a more comprehensive and profound interpretation of text.
Since its inception, the future development of reception theory may include a deeper integration with digital humanities and cultural analysis, which may lead to new ways of understanding how texts are received and interpreted in different periods and cultural contexts. Another factor that may affect people's enjoyment of the project may be culture, as today's generation is composed of many different groups, which can affect attention and vary time. Another factor that I must consider is social class, as this can affect people's perception of the project. Using machine learning and big data, it is possible to understand the audience reception patterns on an unprecedented scale. In addition, with the globalization of media and the increase in cross-cultural communication, the understanding of text by different audiences may be more profound. Finally, the future of reception theory may depend on its application in new media forms such as virtual reality and interactive storytelling. Given the growth potential of reception theory, it should have a bright future as it keeps pace with social and technological changes.